GATmatic GM-830A Operation Guide. Open the rear door of the machine. Remove the transport bolts. Open the blue and red valves on the refrigerant cylinder. Close the rear door. Connect the red hose to the HP port and the blue hose to the LP port. Connect the quick couplers, red to red, blue to blue. Hang the quick couplers on the dedicated rack. Connect the power supply and turn on the machine. Select the refrigerant type with one click, R134a, R1234yf. Add refrigerant. Connect the blue hose to the external refrigerant tank. Select the vacuum function to evacuate the hoses. Open the refrigerant tank valve after hose evacuation is completed. Select Supply Main Tank in the System menu. For first-time use, ensure at least 4 kg of refrigerant is available in the tank. Close the refrigerant tank valve when prompted. The machine will automatically recover the remaining refrigerant in the hoses. Connect the HP-LP couplings to the vehicle with both valves closed. Run the vacuum function to evacuate the hoses. Select the flushing function and open the HP-LP coupling valves. Check the required refrigerant amount and oil type in the engine bay. Set the new oil amount and start the process. Set the flushing time and vacuum time. Set the oil injection amount, mode, and refrigerant amount. Press Enter and wait for automatic execution. If the oil mode is set to manual, add oil manually during the process. Detailed operation data can be printed. Close the red HP valve first. Start the vehicle and run the AC system for a while. Close the blue LP valve, then disconnect the pipelines.